CJ Wells back. Now we're going to look specifically at the gutters here on this typical rental property in the Denver metro area. The landlord previously put on some foam gutter guards to keep leaves and that sort of thing out, but we're going to have Kyle's evaluation of this from Gen3 Roofing. He's one of our teammates as a property manager that keeps these properties with high integrity and in great shape. Here he is, Kyle.
How you doing? Kyle with Gen3 Roofing again. So what we got here is just a foam gutter helmet or gutter guard that you put in here to keep debris and leaves out of the gutters and draining properly. This particular stuff actually causes probably more of a problem than what it's fixing or helping. But and especially with you know, the winters that we have here and the springs that we have here with a lot of ice melt and snow melt, what you can come into is actually a lot of ice damming that comes back up the roof and a lot of icicles that drip off the roof. Gotta kind of be careful with that, just with pets and children and stuff playing underneath icicles. A lot of times they like to play with them and hit them down, and sometimes they can fall on people. So it's not something that I recommend. People always call us after stuff is put in like this and they have snow coming up over the top or water coming up over the top, and it's not actually doing what it's supposed to be doing. It will keep your leaves out, but Gen3 recommends that you just have somebody come and clean out the gutters during the fall time frequently, maybe a couple times a year.
All right.
From up here you can see these are actually not mitered. These are pre-made store-bought miters. Whoever was installing these gutters actually didn't install them how we would probably recommend them be installed. The seam should actually come together, and then you should be able to just have that one seam. Here you're causing yourself to have open for more leaks. They're cheap, they always wear out, and over time you have a lot of water that drips underneath this corner. All the corners are going to be like that. So not something that we recommend. We recommend having a gutter installed that actually has the miter put in place.
Okay. All right, that sounds great. Now, landlords and investors, what Kyle here at Gen3 Roofing is telling us, you know, not all landlords and investors will make these changes, and that's fine. What I want to show you is, as a property manager, I have a team of experts behind me that will do a top-notch quality job, and that's what I'm after for my investors and landlords. So at least you know you have that resource on my team. So this is CJ Wells, property manager, and we'll be checking other roofing and gutter things around this typical rental property in the Denver metro. Thanks. Bye.